coastal waters extending out to 25 nautical miles south of Martha's Vineyard in Nantucket. Coastal waters from Provincetown, Massachusetts to Chatham, Massachusetts to Nantucket, Massachusetts, out 20 nautical miles, Nantucket Sound. Ocean waters from Martha's Vineyard to Nantucket from 25 to 45 nautical miles offshore. Ocean waters from Provincetown to Nantucket from 20 to 35 nautical miles offshore until 9:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 8:37 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Muskegee Channel to 25 nautical miles southeast of the coastal waters south of Martha's Vineyard, moving northeast at 50 knots. Hazards include wind gusts to 40 knots and large hail. Small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Large hail could result in structural damage. Locations affected include the coastal waters south of Nantucket, Nantucket Sound, Great Point Light on Nantucket, Great Point Light, the coastal waters east of Nantucket, Nantucket Shoals Buoy, Wadakit Harbor, Surfside on Nantucket, Chatham Light, the coastal waters east of Cape Cod, Muskegee Channel, Stage Harbor Light, Sankaty Head Light, and Monomoy Point. Voters should seek safe harbor immediately until these storms pass. Wind gusts to 40 knots, large hail, high waves, dangerous lightning, and heavy rain are possible with these storms. Frequent lightning is occurring with these storms. If caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible. Keep away from ungrounded metal objects. Plymouth County through 8:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:52 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar was tracking strong thunderstorms along a line extending from near Plymouth to 6 miles southeast of Edgertown. Movement was northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazards include winds in excess of 40 miles per hour and pea-size hail. Strong winds could cause minor damage such as downed branches. Little to no impact from hail is expected. Locations impacted include Plymouth, Barnstable, Falmouth, Brewster, Oak Bluffs, Edgertown, Tisbury, Provincetown, Yarmouth, Sandwich, Bourne, Dennis, Mashpee, Harwich, Chatham, Orleans, Eastham, Wellfleet, West Tisbury, and Truro. Get indoors when you hear thunder. Do not resume outdoor activities until at least 30 minutes after the storm has passed. Frequent cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with these storms. Lightning can strike 10 miles away from a thunderstorm. For your safety, go indoors or to your vehicle. These storms may intensify and become severe. Stay tuned to your local media for updates and possible warnings. The National Weather The National Weather Service in Boston has issued a special marine warning for the Cape Cod Bay, coastal waters east of Ipswich Bay and the Stellwagen Bank National Marine Sanctuary, coastal waters from Provincetown, Massachusetts to Chatham, Massachusetts to Nantucket, Massachusetts out 20 nautical miles, Nantucket Sound, ocean waters from Provincetown to Nantucket from 20 to 35 nautical miles offshore, ocean waters from the Merrimack River to Plymouth from 40 to 60 nautical miles offshore, until 9:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 8:43 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near the coastal waters east of Cape Ann to near Hyannisport, moving northeast at 40 knots. Hazards include wind gusts to nearly 50 knots and large hail. Small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Large hail could result in structural damage. Locations impacted include Hyannisport, Chatham Light, Race Point, the coastal waters east of Cape Cod, Stage Harbor Light, Wellfleet Harbor, Nauset Light, Barnstable Harbor, Monomoy Point, Point Gammon, and Northeastham. Voters should seek safe harbor immediately until these storms pass. Wind gusts to nearly 50 knots, large hail, high waves, dangerous lightning, and heavy rain are possible with these storms. Frequent lightning is occurring with these storms. If caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible. Keep away from ungrounded metal objects. The National Weather Service